Spun Consulting helps businesses overhaul their IT infrastructures, and two of their current customers have unique needs and tight budgets. Perfect Home Mortgage is juggling documentation and approvals between property sellers and buyers, state agencies, real estate agents, lawyers, and more. Iron Tool Manufacturing must reconcile materials coming in from vendors and products going out to customers. How do they properly time payments and invoices with deliveries and arrivals? Both companies need technologies that securely puts data in its proper context. Spun quickly realizes what they really need are information management tools. Luckily for Spun, OpenText's Information Management as a Service makes OpenText's vast knowledge of information management available as cloud microservices. So Spun can solve both clients' individual problems through one vendor, leveraging a common set of APIs to create specific solutions using OpenText's development platform. This gives Spun the flexibility to support their regional mortgage customer and their global manufacturer.